Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to make a short little video on how to change the Flint of your Zippo. First you want to take out your Zippo insert, and as you can see on the bottom there's a little brass screw. That is where the Flint is, and you want to unscrew that. And when you take it out there will be a little spring, which I can show you in a second. It is a little spring, and as you can see on the end there's a little brass fitting. You want to leave that brass fitting on because that is what the Flint is going to rest on and get pushed with. Next, you just take out a Flint and take your Zippo insert and just drop the Flint down the hole. And then reinsert the spring. Screw it back into place. And as you can see now you have spark and flame. Thanks for watching.